Hello, hi guys, how are you? Good? I'm doing just fine, thank you. Okay, hari ni today I want to share with you about one good, I think it's the best product lah, because so far memang this product helps me a lot. Save my time, save my energy. What it is a vacuum. Not just a vacuum, it is a robotic vacuum cleaner. Here is my Pure i9.2 robotic vacuum cleaner from Electrolux. Actually guys, it is the best robot vacuum, and if you want the best, get this vacuum you guys. The reason why I have a robot vacuum was simply because I am a clean freak and OCD, and I also like the idea that I can sit back and let the robot do its thing. I can do my cooking, I can watch TV, I can play with my two kids, my son and my daughter. Love the vacuum robot. Dia macam jadi toy dorang dah. And of course, I love the robot vacuum because it can get under hard to reach places like my sofa, my cabinet, my table, my bed. Oh, senangnya. Lepas tu just connected to your smartphone. Make sure ada wifi lah. Lepas tu download the app. Lepas tu phone dengan vacuum tu get connected. Lepas tu you boleh arrange. You nak schedule your cleaning bila. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday also can. Every time, anytime. Senang sangat-sangat lah hai benda ni. And dia punya charging is super fast. Tak payah nak risau. Just sekejap je charge, 1.5 hours. Lepas tu dah ready to go again. See? So here it is. Congrats Electrolux, and thank you so much for making my life better. Better living for me and better living for you. Thank you. I love you Electrolux.